Hello producers, it's Ozgun here and welcome to the channel. So in the second video of the mastering series, in the first video, I just make a master with my own chain with third-party plugins and also did a mastering with stock plugins and I just compared them. If you haven't checked it out, just check that video. So in this video, I will have my own master. And in this video, I like to use this online AI, auto master platforms. And we will just compare AI masters with each other. And we will also see that, is it close to human master? Is it better or is human master is still superior? If you're ready, let's jump to that video. So let's start drag drop to Slate Digital Virtu, the mastering platform Virtu. So it says streaming standards 14 loops. I think loops is okay. We can normalize them. And can we go with higher loops? Because I think my track was -6 loops LUFS value. We can go EDM. So that's the loudest I can get. So it gives an option to adjust the low and high frequencies. Also for compression, we can choose punchy. And we can just ask it to enhance the stereo image, balanced or wider. Let's keep it in balanced. So I had a Slate Digital subscription. That's why I think it's giving me 3 master per month. Honestly, this is the first time I'm using this platform. So let's click master and see what it's gonna bring to us. So while we wait it, let's go to Bandlab. So I think it's free. Let's drag drop this to here. So this one is ready. Let's download this master. Even we can go with remaster. I think, yeah, we can change the settings and go for a new master, which is nice. And second is the Bandlab. So this is just a free account. I haven't paid anything. I hope we can master this for free. So we can choose, I don't know. So we can choose characters. We can only choose one, I think. Input gain. We can also change input gain. Let's keep it in auto. And intensity, I'm not going to touch it. So universal file, clarity, tape, punch. Let's go punch. I don't know. Let's go punch. Can I choose anything else? That's it. So it doesn't give me much options.
Drifting through galaxies.
Oh, it's doing it real time.
Stars in my sight. Endless horizons. My eternal flight.
What is this? It just broke the track, bro. Maybe with this now? So let's keep it in the universal mode because others are extremely bad in my opinion. And I cannot adjust the output LUFS value, nothing.
I am the light. Drifting through galaxies.
Okay, let's keep it in 0 dB and I think I'm just gonna click download. Okay, I download this. Let's go to the next one. So this one is Bakuage. I find this website on ChatGPT, by the way. I knew some of them, but some of them is just ChatGPT. So I don't know if you have other websites that you think it's worth to check it out. Don't forget to write in the comment section, as I can also check them out. So this one, let's see. Easy mastering, custom mastering. Okay, we got something. Loudness. Wow. It's allowing me to boost it a lot. So let's push it to -5 LUFS. Ceiling. I don't want any true peak. Let's just choose it peak -0.1. That's good, man. Oversampling. Let's choose it. Slow. Automatic mastering. 16-bit WAV. Sampling rate 44.1. Everything is nice. Low cut. No low cut. No high cut. Can I choose no high cut? Maybe if I do it like that, I won't get affected. That's it. Let's see. I'm very curious. It gives me some customization settings that others don't give me. You can also get some statistics. Loudness. This is I think, the pre-master track I just sent them. Awesome. Professionality. Okay. It's pretty much close to what commercial music sounds like according to its algorithm. Okay, it says 3 minutes to go. Guys, I just like how this gives me graphics and everything. Oh, it's like nice. I haven't paid anything to it too. Like if it's free, if I can download the master file, I think this is a perfect website to check it out. Desktop app is also available. Guys, this is perfect. So I got some limiting error. It says I just boosted too much. So I should lower the outcome LUFS that I requested. Let's play the master.
I am the shadow. I am the light. Drifting through the galaxy.
Yes, it's kind of distorted a little bit. So let's go remaster, and this time maybe let's go -6 LUFS and keep everything same. So for the second master, it's telling me to wait 4 hours because there are some other people in the line. So for the free master, we got some time limitations and which is pretty understandable. That's why I'm gonna go with this one. Let's download this. Okay guys, next up is LandR. Let's drag drop this to here. So I don't get it. How do I get the mastered file? Oh, I need to click this. Okay. So no need to volume match. Let's go with loudness high. I don't know. High means loud, I think. Style. Let's keep it balanced. Yeah, and now we can create master. Skip for now. So I can't get WAV. It's asking me $10. Can I get MP3 at least? And it's $6. Can I get this? No, I can't get anything. So then it should at least give me a preview or something like that, so I could consider is it worth to purchase or not. But I think without paying them, I cannot test it. So this is gonna be a skip. So guys, next up, masterchannel.ai. Just upload the track and it says try for free. File uploading, starting to master. I think now we wait. Okay, it says 3 minutes remaining. I think it's gonna just automatically master without asking me anything. Let's see how it's gonna sound. And master channel's master is ready. I think we can preview it, but we can't change anything from the track. It's just automatically mastering it. So I think I can just download. It says create an account. That's okay, just give me my master. This takes forever. Come on, man. Just give me my master. So many questions. So it says upgrade required. Come on, man. It only gives me preview, but it doesn't give me an option to download the master. Okay, master channel, I'm not gonna pay for you. Okay, guys, mastering box file uploaded. So how do we master this?
My eternal
We can push the loudness. Is this input or output? I don't get it.
flight.
If I have paid member, I think I can also do the EQ thing, but that's not necessary. I don't get what this loudness is. What is this affecting? I don't get it.
My eternal flight.
I'm gonna push it like this, and I'm gonna click this. Probably this is just input. Okay, let's save this. Can I download this? Oh, in order to download this, I need to pay as well, but what about this? But what about just an MP3? Okay, at least it gives me an MP3. That's enough for comparison, you know. Now it's rendering the file, but this is fair. So guys, lastly, let's go FL Cloud mastering. So I have subscription, by the way, but you can also use it with free version with less customization settings. So I'm gonna go to loudest. I'm gonna choose EDM and techno, and then quality. I think we shouldn't even need to touch that things. Yeah, let's start. So it gives me an EDM reference master and a techno master. We can compare them, and even if we like, we can adjust the bass mid, you know, that kind of little customization stuff. And also we can, I think we should choose widener. So for the others, we can experiment it. So we can just preview how it sounds.
I am the shadow. I am the shadow.
So whenever I click some parameters, some customization, it's just re-rendering the preview. I think we should keep the widener on.
I am the shadow.
I think it's not bad. Let's choose techno and let's master this. So now it's just rendering the wave file. And I think the FL cloud mastering has awesome customizations. If you just want to master with this, you can just dial in with more details. All these features are just awesome. So guys, before comparison, the loudness are pretty much different, right? So we need to just kind of gain match them to be fair. So I'm going to put all of the masters in -8 LUFS. So they are not exactly same on the same loudness, but that's enough to compare. Okay, let's start with my master. This one is pretty nice. Bakuage, Bakuage, yeah, we already like this website, right? It's pretty nice, guys. I think Bandlab is more dynamic, but I'm not sure if I want this on a big room techno track. I want to have, I want to have more saturated, more fat, more pushed, but Bandlab is not delivering what I want. Also mastering the box, meh, I can say. I think this one was MP3, right? Yeah, so let me just do it like this. So maybe because it's MP3, I also missing some of the high frequencies. Let's go with Virtu. Again, I'm kind of losing some high ends. Let's go with FL. So for FL cloud, I think the low end is very nice. If I rate them, so personally, I like my own master more because it's like more full, more colored. For AI, I think Bakuage is awesome. It's so close to my master. It's so close to what I like to hear. And it even looks almost like my master. The FL master is pretty nice. And I think Virtu is good. Bandlab and mastering box, meh. I don't like them much. Also, let's compare the drop part. So because I use some Ozgun stereo widening effect, I think Bakuage doesn't have that, and I like it more. In the acid, it sounds more in your face. In my version, maybe the acid is too pushed to the sides, but in this one, it's perfect. So for a FL version, the wider also ruined the acid, in my opinion. In my version, acid sounds still better than FL, but Bakuage, I think it's the winner in here. It's more crisp, more clean. Honestly, for this crowded second drop, the mastering box and Bandlab still doing very well. For Virtu, it's okay, it's not bad. I think it's lack of character. Guys, for the second drop, I think Bakuage is the best one. In my opinion, it's better than my master. Even though it says it's distorted, it suggested us to have another master, but this one sounds perfect. So let's go with the climax part lastly.
I am the shadow. I am.
So clipped, so distorted. I don't like FL. Bandlab is ruined the EQ. This one is, I don't know, I don't like it. Lack of character. Mine or Bakuage? So Bakuage doesn't have any star widening effect. It sounds good, but I think for the super softs, I like to have a little bit wider star image. So for the conclusion, I think I still prefer to master my own tracks. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but Bakuage, it's perfect. It's almost as good as my master. In some aspects, I think it's better. So guys, please let me know what do you think about this. Is my master is better or AI master? Please tell me which one is your favorite. If you know of other websites, also don't forget to write in the comment section. So guys, also if you like the content, don't forget to like the video. It's so helpful for the channel. So today that was it guys. See you on the next video. Bye bye.